Hi everybody, welcome to the Regretful Yarn Addict. Today is, yay! So, I can't remember at all what I ordered because it's Lion Brand. And we all know Lion Brand is really good at making you forget what you ordered. So let's see. Doesn't look like there's very much. Okay then. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. And of course, no prices. But everything was on clearance. Oh, this is pretty. So I've got a couple Shalina balls. This is the color Opal. And it's Shalina ball. So it's 481 yards, 150 grams, 61% cotton, 34 acrylic, 5% other. Look at that. Wonder what it's like on the inside. It's just all the same. Wow, that is going to make something really pretty. Look at that. I mean, really. Okay, you know, Shalina ball, the only ones I like are the metallic ones, the ones that have the shiny. If they don't have the shiny, I would rather not have them in my possession. Okay, and now I've got a couple of the Mandala bonus bundles. This one I already have, but in case I want to make something really big, now I have two. This is in the colorway, I think it's Meowth. Yeah, Meowth. And like I said, I already have one. These are 1,181 yards, 300 grams, machine wash and dry, 100% acrylic. Then, I think these were like $6 or $7, I think. They were really, really inexpensive. So this is the same thing. It's another bonus bundle. Same exact thing. This is the color Unicorn. Ooh. My ball band wants to fall off that one. Oh, okay. So, let me put these back in the box. Because that's all I got was just that yarn. But then I got this. Right here. Style Stitch. It says, have the hottest designer handbag in town, your own creation. Using a pre-cut plastic grid, follow the instructions provided to stitch up a one-of-a-kind functional purse. Attach the metal chain, attach the metal clasp and chic chain, and you're ready to take on the night in style. And here's everything that comes in it. All right, I need to open it. So, probably will not be able to get it back in. So here's the grid. Here's the yarn. It is DIY Den. And there's absolutely no information on it other than that. It's like a velvet. And then here's the grid. And in here is all the little pieces you need. Well, that's interesting. I think this was another one that was on clearance. And it was really cheap. I think it's originally like $20. And good Lord, I think I paid less than 10. I think. Well, let me wrap that up correctly. As if there's a correct way. I think as long as it's in there. And it doesn't matter. I can do that any other way. Today it's May 10th. You will probably be seeing this next week sometime. I don't know. But, you know, Lion Brand always has something on sale. There's always some sale going on. So just check it. And be prepared to wait. Because we all know Lion Brand, they have stuff on their website and they have these great sales, and then everybody wants to order it, and then you get these emails that are all, oh, due to high volume. Like, really? You put everything on a discount and you're surprised there's high volume? Alrighty. Look at that. I got it all back in. Ah. Go me. I don't know if I'm going to make that or if that will be something I set aside for a future giveaway. I have no idea. All I know is I'm thinking about at 500 subscribers, maybe having a small giveaway, but definitely at 1,000. And it's going to be a minute before I hit 1,000. I mean, let's be real. Unless, you know, you gather all your friends and force them to subscribe so we can get up to 1,000 and get a decent giveaway going. Besides, I'm looking forward to that. I've already got stuff started. It's like, yay. All right, so that's it for the Lion Brand. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day, good evening, good morning, whatever. Go find yourself some happiness. Otherwise, peace out. Later, Gators.